How to find freelance jobs on PeoplePerHour. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can find freelance jobs on PeoplePerHour. So how do you do that? The first step is to log in into your PeoplePerHour account, and then once you're logged in, you revert to your dashboard automatically. Your dashboard, move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see options such as post offer. You can see the option search. So click on the search icon, and then once you've done that, a drop down menu will appear. In this menu, you would see search offers, search freelancers, then you see search projects to quote on. This is what applies to you as a freelancer. So click on search projects to quote on, and you'll be taken to the freelance job page. So on this page, you can now go ahead to search out the kind of job that you want. By scrolling down, you would see different kind of jobs, okay, that has been posted. All right, so you can see sound designer, you can see award-winning editing, writing needed, you can see logo, flyer and card, business card. You can see different types. So you can just filter this by making use of the filter option. So by clicking on filter, move to the left side of the screen. A menu will be displayed where you can filter based on entry, based on intermediate, based on expert, based on remote project, based on the project type, based on the price, if it's fixed or per hour. So just go ahead and filter this. So for example, I'll filter this based on expert and based on urgent, or based on work with no proposals. All right, then based on perhaps fixed or per hour, and then close this box, this menu, scroll down, and you would see jobs that are related to that. You can also search for specific job titles. For example, if you're searching for a graphics designer job, just go ahead and type that out, right, and click enter, and jobs related to that would also be displayed. And then you can just go ahead, select the one that appeals to you, then you're taken to the next page where you'll be able to send your proposal. All right, just move to the right side of the screen, you see the option send proposal. But before then, read through the responsibilities of your of the job, then send your proposal, and then if you are qualified, you will be contacted. So this is how you can search or find freelance jobs easily on peopleperhour.com. Thank you for watching and have a good day.